Really easy this one is today. We've got chicken, cream, tomatoes, garlic, a few little herbs, beautiful spaghetti, nice and easy. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great Food. So get your pasta cooked. I'm using this spaghetti here. Get it ready because we're going to really concentrate on the sauce and add the pasta at the end. You can be using any pasta you want. Like I said, I'm using spaghetti, but go for penne, tagliatelle, fusilli, up to you. So 1 can of tomatoes, they were whole, I've just crushed them up. 1 onion chopped. I've got 250 ml there of cream. Now this is a thick cooking cream. It doesn't make any difference if you use thin cream or thick cream. Absolutely, it will just work out the same. I've got 1 large chicken breast there, no skin and no bone, and I've cut that nice and thin. I've got some lovely grated Parmesan cheese there. I've got 1 tablespoon here of garlic cut, and here I've got about 3 teaspoons of oregano, or oregano as some of you call it. Okay, we're going to get this on the go. We're starting off with some olive oil, salt and pepper. That's about it. It's delicious. So I've got a pan here. I've got some olive oil that I'm using in here. We're going to add our onion, our garlic, and our chicken. Chicken breast, no skin, no bone, cut nice and thin. We are on an above medium heat, so fairly high. 4 minutes, keep it moving. We'll have this done in absolutely no time. Now, because we've cut our chicken nice and thin, it's going to cook really quickly. We're now going to add some salt. I'm going to get some black pepper in there. I'm going to drop in the dried oregano. Now I'm using oregano, but if you wanted tarragon, dried basil, rosemary, some other dried herb that you might like could go in. Let's drop in that 1 can of tomatoes, which I've just, like I say, they were whole and I've just crushed them down. Stay on this lively heat, above medium heat, fairly high, and go for about 4 to 5 minutes now. Let's really cook out those tomatoes. Beautiful, really beautiful, nice and easy. We're now going to drop in that 250 ml of cream, and like I say, thick or thin cream is not going to make any difference to you. It'll all be the same. In that goes, along with a nice handful of some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Look at that lovely swirl as it happens. I love the colours changing here. Now we're still on quite a high heat, we haven't changed it. Let's now drop in our pasta of choice. I'm using spaghetti. In it goes. And I'm just going to work this in with the heat still on high for about 4 minutes, you know, because my pasta's cold. Just want to get that all worked in and beautiful. We're done. I'll see you at the table. Okay, and there we go. I just topped that off with a little bit of chopped parsley. Yeah, that's it. Beautiful, nice and easy. Hope you enjoyed that. We'll see you very soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. We're currently steaming ahead to actually reaching nearly 100 million views, which is fantastic. I think we've got over 3,000 uploads now. We've really been going at it since I think 2012 we started back in the day. But yeah, thanks so much for watching our videos. Please do give us a thumbs up. It really does help us out a great deal, and also leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. Now, what we've been up to, so lots going on. We're now based in Bahrain. We're here for a little while in the kitchen here, which is fantastic. We're having a great time. Kids are really enjoying themselves. We are cooking away at a rapid rate. trying to do this new series called Eating with Locals, where I want to go and eat with different, people from different nationalities and eat their food and have a little chat, see if I can learn something. Hoping this COVID thing's going to shift. Don't know when it's going to happen, but maybe soon. If it does, I'm going to get back on the road. I want to get back on an aeroplane, as I'm sure many of you do as well, and get out there and sort of, see the sights, taste some food and meet some people. It would be fantastic if you would buy us a cup of coffee. Help us along with the channel. We're not funded in any way, we're self-funded. We don't endorse any products. There's a link down below. If you would like to buy me a coffee, a couple of dollars or whatever you want, just follow the link. That would be fantastic. That's about it. We're doing great, and we hope that you're doing fine, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.